everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel, and in this video we are going to be making a gluten-free vegan pasta salad. And what we're going to need is 1 pound of gluten-free noodles, some cherry tomatoes quartered, some diced green peppers, and a diced red onion, and some pitted and sliced black olives, and some oil, some parsley, some garlic powder, some minced onions, or you can use onion powder, some oregano, and some crushed red peppers. And we are going to move on to this. So we will need to put the gluten-free noodles in a pot of water. Then we are going to cook these on medium heat until they are soft. And for this next step, we will need 1/3 cup of oil. I know it's not the best fuel. And we are going to put it into a bowl. Then we will need to mix in the vegetables and the seasonings with that. And with the vegetables, you can certainly use however much you feel like you want to use. But I would recommend starting out with a little bit of vegetables at a time, and then adding more if you would like to add more. And then with the seasonings, we will need 4 tablespoons of parsley, this way. Tablespoons of parsley is in there. We will need 2.5 teaspoons of oregano, and this one, and this 2, and then here's that. And then we will need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And then we will just need to add some black olives. Then we are going to mix all of that together. And once it has all mixed up, it should look something like this. Once the noodles are done cooking, we are going to drain the water from them and let them cool off. To cool off, we are going to pour it in here and with this mixture. Then we are going to need to mix that up. Once the pasta salad is all finished, it should look something like this.